Hello guys, and welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to use Fiverr's messaging system to chat with your clients and prospective buyers. So the first thing you have to do is to log into your account, and then you would see this message icon here. Now you from here you have to click on see all in inbox. You have to go, this is how to go to your inbox section. I remember there was a time I don't know what happened, but I kept clicking on the message and it kept just, you will not see anything until you click on the see all in inbox. So this is the inbox section you go to actually view all your messages, and then you can chat and interact with any of the prospective buyers. And yeah, that's it guys. So that's how to actually chat with, and you can click on any of these to see the messages there. And then that's it guys. If you've enjoyed this video, let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you guys.